If you chala engine for Ladipo, doing a motor, you work for it. Even Okongu Dibia can work for it itself because Okongu Dibia so na part of the business. Okongu Dibia business partner. Only share na that business. Apiawa Monday hammer. ISOP. Apiawa plan 2x2. ISOP. You got to go. You see, this is somebody we are talking about here. Somebody who cannot be straight. Oh, this is somebody who will criticize Onyeje Wande Dibia na Akwa. Oye criticize Jiki. Oye criticize Okongu Dibia. Oye criticize Ndozo Nile. But he will jack a bakwano. Or does he mean na Akwa Blonwa Dibia ko? I ask you. Akwa pastor. Akwa on ato ever up to today. Oya Akwa na Chineke nye na ike Chineke nyere mmadụ ahụ iche na ụfọdụ na-eje emulate Akwa na ha ma ọnụ onwe ife na-asa na ife mara mmadụ ama ọ ka na-epromote kwe ngwajuzienụ m ife na-eme ọkọrọ ife niile ahụ ọkọrọ na Akwa bitre erie lelekwa Akwa kọbọ lechaa Akwa kọbọ Akwa bụrụkwa Lexus bụ ihe ọ nalụ tọnụkwa ọnụ ya ọzọ ikwutekwa okwu gbasara Akwa ọchọkwa ahụ pịapịapịa efe ahụ ife anyị bịara ime n'ihu akwụkwọ. Brother, maybe if you name that is how you make your own money. But what I cannot take is you trying to drag us into your mess. We cannot allow ourselves to be dragged into your mess. Calling me Andy Joa, you are wasting your time. Sir, Koma TV, I want you to see clearly somebody you want me to come and start defending as a brother. Somebody to so selfish. He only knows about himself. If he is everywhere defending and protecting his interests. This is somebody you wanted me. Opuluna name at the concept of one day so one day ya hijuwe sine gobi me gobi. Bakaranda gwa ezioku. Kene ezioku ngwaria. Ezioku ngwaria mba awo. Aha akọ ka esi weri nni abani. Ikowa ka esi weri nni abani. Owuru ikwa akwa nni. Jpac go na Akụ Zion ife ababa horo unu so unu na abo mo ife sele unu. Why can't you walk away? Why can't you walk away? Did you not know that fighting Akụ Zion, that you are going to raise emotions from people from Zion? Did you not know that by making passes at Zionite, did you not know that you are going to raise reaction from them? Are you telling me that you don't know about all this? You expected the Inaga Akụ Zion. Don't you know that an Akụ Zion will follow us? Akụ Zion will follow us online and offline. So the moment you come out openly to confront him, you are definitely going to get some bruises and bashes from people. The same way, Ndemadu si enweta na your page for your followers. Did you not know that trying to make passes at Zionite, that you are going to get banters from them? Did you not know? I warned you and I told you, brother, leave these people alone and go. Yes, so some good me fish away there. If for that thing, can you walk away? The most honorable thing to do is to walk away. If you have walked away, even what is happening today shouldn't even have happened. Let me remind you again. What is happening today? How did it start? How it started was that Jpac apologized to Onyobodo and the Onyekwa. Wegwafa no na apologize. Na ndoka usuriye. Nobody is even talking about that part. The whole bloggers knows that nobody can use Jpac. They know that nobody can use Jpac. Nobody can use him. Jpac will rather use you. It show can put support over my brother actually in the long way aka. Look at the height of this controversy now, you allowed your wife to come out and make broadcasts. To make broadcasts on what? Ogwin na agbala ọsọ We all know that you are running. We all know that you are running. You are only looking for people you can talk through. But people are going to go your strategy. Even some content creators with your phone are showing better in full force. They don't want to better in full force. People like Ibunison, they are fooling themselves because they know who you are. That friendship it can never last. Any friendship built on lies and deceit can never last. You are only doing megremo because you know common enemy today. Tomorrow, if you do between you people, the fact still remains that you sold those people out. If you want to apologize, apologize genuinely from your heart without isolating from onya to onya. The apology should be to all. If any so na part of even kurumba Akwa say na they defend the Zion, na they defend the evangelist Ebuka Ewabago. Meaning na if any Jpac na atu igeru ha not the right. And all from the same place can this prophecy si we pota iwe man evangelist Ebuka nwere onyinye amala ikwetara mbu na onwe gift oge mba anyị na-ekwu na onwere gift ibu amụma ikwetago kita anọ ọwụ ọfụchara fancha ikwetago na God na-alụ ọrụ na Zion wo the God of ọfụchara fancha ikwetago na ọwụ the God of omechara fancha ikwetago kita anọ ọwụ the God of ukwuchara fancha because ọ fụrụ ife ọ gwara wee kwuo ya ekwuo and ka o kwuru ya ekwu o mere eme I confirm go. So I had the right. Since you have confirmed that what I have been saying is right, why should somebody pay me to say what is right? People can only pay you to spread lies and the falsehood. Who do you think can pay you to say the truth? Now that you have confirmed that nobody is actually paying me, that what I am saying is the truth, can you now tender an unreserved apology to me? Can you tender an unreserved apology to me? Yes. Imagine this prophecy like this is imagine me no na Jesus na-emelu me ife since what I am doing is not even necessarily because of evangelist Ebuka or any pastor. It is because of Christ. It is because of Christ. Ọrụ na-arụ Chukwu ka na-arụ yo maka ọnya wee na-akwụ ụgwọ. Nyakwa ya esitụrụ mmadụ wee kwụ ụgwọ. Ịghọtago? Nyakwa ya esitụrụ mmadụ wee kwụọ m ụgwọ ọrụ ahụ. Adam arụrụ ya mmadụ. Human beings can appreciate you on their own. But Adam arụrụ ya mmadụ. I am not doing it for eye service and I am not doing it for anybody to pay me. That is one thing Jpac do different from money. Several times no ye mecha okugo yugboro ne na video na ndedu ka ezugo no ye mecha afifo furu kono ka ya afifuru kedi fa ya afifuru kedi fifuru if Zion on emari nji if radi nji na eme na Zion a shop that evangelist Ebuka ahozi a true man of God a shop that na Jesus adazi arụ ebube a shop that no ka do fake kedi fi shop that e fa ahụ kedu ife ịchọpụtara ife ahụ ị na-ekwu na ihe emecha achọpụta ife ịchọpụtara ị na-eche na ihe achọpụta awụ na aha enyeghị ego ntụ isi wee chọ. Unfortunately, I'm not there because of money. I'm not even expecting money from anybody. Onye nye ma na say thank you na ma ya atụfie na aja ọfịa ịghọtago onye nye ma na say thank you but I am not expecting money na mmadụ ga-enye m ego before ana m ekwu ife m na-ekwu. So that is why ma eji wee chọpụta anything. Because ugboro n'okwugorie na ihe emecha fifi ibe anyị fụrụ kere ife na ife ahụ ibe anyị fụrụ o nwere arịnji eme na Zion imecha alụ chọpụta Jpac ka nna ajụ ife o nwere ife ọjọọ a na-eme na Zion imecha alụ chọpụta ejideghị n'ọnụ na ihe ekwu ekwu o nwere it all boils down to money. Money everywhere. It is money. It is money. Then nkosho noye akoma esena na akwụm ụgwọ na nda Chineke si through ministry ha. When your prophecy down into fulfillment with $4,000. You were in one. You were I wasn't the mother. Need a can evangelist Ebukobi. Need a can evangelist Ebukobi. When are you going to come out to apologize to somebody like me, Ezugo? The same way Jpac apologized, apology Aruana. To apologize, because I call that apology Aruana. Each area you should apologize to everybody. Even Mande Major or Mandi Major. In being at peace with all men, it involves Mandi Major, Mande Major. You cannot select those people you can apologize to and leave other people. Either ways, you are not still at peace. Now you are saying you should be at peace with all men. Are you at peace with Akosayon? The answer is no. Are you at peace with Ogechi? The answer is no. Are you at peace with me? The answer is no. There are so many people you are not at peace with. So who says you can select those people? Did the Bible tell you specifically the people you should be at peace with? I'm asking you. Akwa TV, you have to give me an apology. I deserve an unreserved apology from you, because now you have confirmed that there is God. God known as Zion Ministry, very powerful. Now you have seen why those number of people which we see there, Jonah High Apple, you see they go nowhere. Now you have seen the reason behind crowd if you give them those offer, you will quit that. Now, what you did now is it not a pure confirmation that nobody is paying us either? Is it not a pure confirmation to you now that nobody is paying Ezugo, nobody is paying Ijowa, and nobody is paying every other person that is saying good thing about Zion Ministry? I don't speak only about Zion Ministry. What I defend is my Christian faith. Zion Ministry happens to be a Christian organization. So the reason matter for some time, although I say that it is all about them, is because now these people use her as a point to get to the other Christians. So while defending, we also have to pick a point from them. Yes, that is the reason. What I go, I'm not flash. You're gonna worry, but we did. What I go. So that is the reason. So what no matter is you happen. And somebody tag Yalomo Ogechi Okeke Njaka na this broadcast. Somebody tag Yalomo Ogechi Okeke Njaka na this broadcast. Okay. I would like you to fall into the trap of Jpac. Jpac wanted now to distract you with the Reverend Father Ejike Njaka. That particular video, I want you people to tag Ogechi to this video. Tag Ogechi to this video. Jpac, what he is now good at now, he want to test that thing now or to good at. Jpac want to bring in the confusion of Reverend Father Ejike Njaka. That is why Ojuweje Wota video Mbaka Meru since about that issue. Potaro Nazayon. And the Mbaka then only gave that video. Mbaka Neme. Mbaka was talking about a particular ministry. How can you be planning to bring down a ministry that produce you? In Rebo Kuye. How can you say Mama Mbaka and will time may fight anybody? So can you tell me how that video will have anything to do with what is happening now? It has nothing to do with what is happening now. It has everything to do with what has happened before. So, Antioke, do not fall into that trap. Jpac said, do not fall into that trap. Mbaka was referring to you actually, but that was an old video. You should know when that video, if you actually get a call a hotel chalande or a cosego na hisiono. Often and those on a money or waffle. If you actually get a call a kogo na back hisiono, because no man back when congregation and a part of congregation here is also still the church which you are defending. So do not allow his trap to work. Do not allow his trap to work. Ignore that video. Make on from that video. He gave the full version of that video. He even made reference to him and the governor. That was that time. Then Governor Ezioku run the most video the most not even in Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Governor Ezioku nke fa. Yes. It was a long video, Mbaka Melu. He went and edited the part where Mbaka was now addressing Oge. I want somebody to tag Oge Batana this broadcast right now, because this video when it came too long that she may not watch it up to this point. Yes, this video too long that she may not watch this video up to this point. So I want somebody to tag Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Tag Yania at this video. Do not allow Jpac or anybody. He knows what he is doing. He no expert in it. But what we need to show him now is that Naya master go game here. Yes, we have mastered this game. We have mastered his act. We have mastered his modus operandi. We have mastered how he operates. If Ochoroketa with the old video Ojeponite Otra Yana Denewi Zerisifa or Omunijo upon Diapol Izerisiaye. Okenesa is content creators. Come on, haya babata. Ufodu ni me handewu. Nde biaka hationo ne okule ha habafelu. Ochoketa ka okolu uje ko Mbaka, because no man opposed to video ni nwerike just reply was say to Mbaka. A lot of fracas from even within the church or within a lot of people, even some people do silent will begin to talk. Do not fall into his trap. In fact, I want you to record this part of this video name. Make sure that this part of video name Ogechi Okeke Njaka. I want you to record this part of video name. Make sure that Ogechi Okeke Njaka no wetalo ye. We know him. We know his game. Mbaka has vindicated me. He has said this. Vindicated you. Mbaka neku. You and Governor Ezioku, you are as guilty as Oge. Are you not aware? If Oge is guilty about what she said, it means that you and Governor Ezioku, you are also guilty. Yeah? Because Governor Ezioku run a whole broadcast. There is nothing you people did not say about Mbaka in that broadcast. There is nothing you people did not say about Mbaka in that broadcast. So why will you go and copy out a video? Sebo mention Afa Ogechi. A copy out because you want to use it as an escape route. Now Jpac daughter because Jpac daughter. What I go? It was so called Gusi na Abagare. He mecha ku ife ndo Cameroon. Even ni kwuru na Ogechi mee video ndị ụka na-eshi ya. Kedu ndị bụ ndị ụka ahụ ị na-adị eme reference to ịgọba na mmụọ ọ na ịdazi eje ụka iwe je mee wedding na chọọchị. Akụọma TV ọ ka ifu onye ị na-edifende, ọ ka ifu onye ị na-edifende. This is the person ị na-edifende. Esere na asa onye Nnewi ngwo na m suppose na ịpụta bee bịa defend onye Nnewi ibe m. Ọkwa ifuru ya mana ịma na onye a na-ekwu daa aghụghọ, ịma na onye a na-ekwu n'ọda aghụghọ, ịma na onye a na-ekwu n'ọda aghụghọ. Oge Wagachi kwuru okwu o nwere mgbe o kwuru okwu sị a na-ekwu okwu with that guy ọmahodo, that guy ọha like iji anya wee fụ amaghọmụ the guy ihe ha like iji anya wee fụ, but enyocha na m n'ife gbasara okwu niile a na-ekwu na-achọ ka mmalụ that guy ịchọghị iji anya wee fụ. Chineke wee merụ gị ebele ịkpọ ha afa ọsọ ụnụ ịkpọrọ afa o wee wụrụ mmụọ ka ịkpọrọ afa, o wee wụrụ nọ mmụnwa wee zugo ka ịkpọrọ afa. Ghọba na aghụghọ ụnụ na-achụ ego, ụnụ chụwụrụ onwe ụnụ na ego na Facebook, ụnụ na-achụ ego ya wụ ụnụ lichaa n'ụwa. Ife ụnụ ji wee nyụ esoro ụnụ na-achụ ego ya wụ ụnụ lichaa n'ụwa. Ife ụnụ ji wee nyụ esoro ụnụ na-akpagharị. Ife ụnụ ji wee nyụ. I decided that I will not put mouth on ife gbasara Ifeanyi Uba and Oge, Ifeanyi Uba Oge and Jpac, and I will never analyze that issue. But I can never go in and discuss about it. I cannot do that. The highest respect in Nyeru Senator Ifeanyi Uba is not sharing or carrying any of those videos in my page. He is not even discussing about the personality of Ifeanyi Uba in my page. I have never carried a video of that saying, no, I decided to take him away from my discussion. That is respect in Nyerie. Yes, that is respect in Nyerie. And I believe in no Yaman is a very big respect. Onye na-ekwu secret ya ọ na-eme na ụnụ je kọba asịrị na ụnụ je kọba asịrị kọchasịcha asịrị na chọwa secret ye release one secret ye release ahanụ m akụ asịrị ka ụnụ ahanụ m akpagharị na inbox and WhatsApp group je na-akụ asịrị about mmadụ etu unu si akụ asịrị. Ịghọtago onweghị n'ife nkwuru maka mmadụ taa ya akpọ onye mechi niile na n'ala ha ụla agha na-eme ikwu times 3. As a matter of fact nke ahụ kwuru n'azụ nwere ike ọ bụrụ repolish ka ntelie na isi m kwuo onye n'ihu onye ahụ wee m tụgee ya ọfụma ntụ mmesi wee tụgee n'ihu onye ahụ. So ka sekriti anyị abọlite onye etu nsi alaha ụla ka etu nsi eteta ka etu nsi ekwu okwu ka etu nsi aga ije ka ọ na mụ onye Nnewi ọnya ụdị sekriti anyị abọlite. There is no secret anyị abọlite anywhere. Ahama eje akụ asịrị na fonu ma ọwa esendere mmadụ meseji agba onye ahụ ifo ya edu nweme na Facebook. I don't do that. Onwe okwu nchọrọ address na Facebook, I will come and address it. I don't seek for allies. Come and kwuo ifu na ife mkpụrụ mma, you come and support. I don't seek for allies. Jpac wins the saga. Mana nke ọgba asụrụ ya asụ. Ọgbagharịba chọwa onye oyi recruit. Ọmụọ na nke a poli ike ndị mmadụ afụcha na fụrụ ya. Ishe na chat niile a na-eri ike ebe ọ na-atụ information maka ndị mmadụ. Ishe na ndị niile ahụ ọ na-atụ information maka ha. Ishe na ha amaghị ife. Ishe na ha amaghị on guard. The only thing ha ji wee mechie ọnụ kịta ahụ for the sake of oge ya na Jpac na-eme ife, for the sake of Zion ministry and Akwa drag na-eme ife ka ha pretend ya na ha nwere Jpac for the sake of what is happening at the moment. Ha ncha niile ma onye Jpac wụ, they know him. They know him. Alisa, ọ na Alisa na ebe a wụrụ na Ogechi na ebe a biko ana m ayọ Oge, don't do any video about Fada Mbaka. Forget about Fada Mbaka. Jpac is playing a game which you should understand. He is recruiting people. This is an indirect way. Ojuwesho Kola Kongo na Mbaka na Oshie video Mbaka meru Oshie video Ojepoganite na page Mbaka post oye Mwese na video awo maka ife aneme ka Mbaka juweme jego sinya na page nda adoration or ifa because it means that na Mbaka yeme video from 2, 3, 4, 5 1 week time garaga je bonito that video. If I would share akataka video share, yes, no people should forget this whole thing is not about Ifeanyi, it is about Jpac, and he knows that is why he can never get any allies. It is about him, and he knows. Ometano blue. Onya ka Akwa jiwese na akwụ m ụgwọ. Onya ka Akwa jiwese na akwụ m ụgwọ. Ngwa na-eme na Igbo na-ezu gasị. Ihe emechasịcha na Facebook ama anọ ngwa wee ihu. Fe ifuchi ebe ya dekwu eziokwu. Je ebe ya dasa isi. Ife niile nkwu na-arụ na Facebook a sisi njiwe bata. Nwoke ya sị na m tụrụ oge. Akwa confirm bụ oketa. Ike kike no na Zion. Okonye ka Akwa confirm oketa. Okonye ka confirm oketa. We defended Okwuluora ndị Igbo because of prophecy eburu n'isi ye. Na ego ya aba ya aka. Ego ba ya aka. The same prophecy aka eburu n'isi. No nwere ego tai na tai eketu. Ego ketu mwe gburu mpadoro. The same prophecy aka eburu n'isi Akwa TV. Oputakwa confirm one at the same prophecy. Now we are gonna miss. Does that change the fact that no, because of a fact, Kojuwe attack Okwuluora and Igbo? Then the right thing to do is to apologize to Okwuluora and apologize to me. Now you know that Jpac doesn't really have any reason to fight Zion. Now you know that Jpac doesn't really have any reason to fight Akwa. Can you be a day Serena Akwa? Also, Nando Kashori use Ndo Kashori use we make gonna exactly. Even though Kashori use we video melu makambaka on the madu zirinya meye. The padlock man on madu kuri ugonya meye. Kelu video no melu makasayo no the madu kuri Jpac okuko ife ndedo kankuru makasayo. Like Jpac on the time ekwife gbasara sayo na etu somebody talk amo iju wana ndo to hasi eme ana ma ajuga ajuju o na ekuye o na devote to the time eme etu ai wasi eme. Can you tell me if the fa who make cultural special o ejifiru na government? I am asking you. Ose na ndo katirie na ndo ka na use ma no nya achori iji ndị Zion we kwa personal word orie which he knows. He went to use Ndoka. He thought he can use Zion to fight his differences with the content creators. All the videos I made about Onyobodo, God bear me witness. You can go back to my page and watch all those videos. All the videos I made about Onyobodo, it was more like an advice to Onyobodo. Who says I hate Onyobodo? For Jpac, who says I hate Onyobodo? It is all about telling these guys to do the right thing. Do the right thing. What is that right thing? Stop laying accusations on people which you cannot prove. Sad enough, Senator Ifeanyi is not there. It's not alive today. He got to go. Obviously, Senator Ifeanyi he could have fight for Ifeanyi against it, but he's not alive. But you are laying accusation on somebody. I now caution you, say go, withdraw back. The Johnny here withdraw back. Buchi yata azunam. E Johnny here she yazo. Obanane loko na hamano. Osina Huamake. Opanane loko na hamano. Osina Huamake. When anything do personal, even any single content creator, Nkugoro Makena Facebook today, I am still saying it. I don't have any personal beef. It is all about that issue not on the ground. But when they took a Jpac, have your name made this thing. Otoka has no with special enmity. That is no special enmity. There's no special enmity. Apart from if Opojo and Daddy, which we were cautioning them to stop, there is nothing else. Stop making it look like it is a go. No, it is not so. It is not so. And I'm telling you, so nobody used you. You were defending what you thought is right. But we thought you were defending that thing because you thought it's right. We never knew you were actually doing it for money. I am doing it because I know that this is right. I am not doing it for money. Let me even talk about myself. Let me speak for myself. I am not doing it because I expect anybody to pay me. Yes. I'm not doing it because I want anybody to pay me. But you are doing it because you want somebody to pay you. Now, when the much payment you are waiting for and your different interests there did not work out, you want to recruit all of us. Who told you? Akwa Kuwere gobiri Kerunde gobiri mefa ahụ Akwa nde gobiri mefa ahụ gobikwa na that same people gobiri fe gobiri na na nke ikpeazụ a they don't gobi you ka nsere na ndị ahụ gobiri mu egobie na na nke ikpeazụ a. So case closed. In conclusion, many of you kayemecha kwugharịa fọdụ n'ime unu ndị na-esi ngọta unu kayemecha kwugharịa ịghọtago ihe mecha join nụọ payroll anyị nọ na ị kayemecha join nụọ this payroll anyị nọ na payroll a kịta ebe a kịta anọ wee na-akwụ ezugara ndị otu n'okwu iji ụwa ụgwọ ị ka ya emechaa join all this payroll ejiri igwe agba ya onye ọcha. Another one wụrụ shudebe na ego adịrị etu unu si ashụ ego a unu na-ele onwe unu kọbọ. You will think that it is all about getting endorsement. You will think it is all about making money. But again, integrity. There is life after Facebook. There is life after Facebook. People may not trust you to do the real thing with you. Even some people, also that run, use you. They use your vulnerability for their own good. Also that run. Not a one year ni flan kunuko. Also that run they use you for their own selfish satisfaction. Only waste money so if you think that those people who are using you and clapping for you, if you think that they are the ones who love you, you are making a great mistake. Tomorrow you can never say that Nafa misleading because you know what is true, what is true. You are only going for the money, and unfortunately, that money is what they have to give you for them to use you. So it is exchange, it is trade by barter. It's not like they actually misleaded you after all, but they gave you that thing which you want, and they use that thing which you have, which is your platform. Yes, which is your platform. That is what they want to use. Do not mistake it to be love. You are not even doing the real business on Facebook. We are the people who are running the real deal on Facebook. Well, you will later sleep and wake up one day to see that what you are even supposed to be looking for now is what you will come back later to look for. But that time, there is no trust, there is no confidence left in you to sustain that thing is supposed to be done now. But you will later find out that we are the people who are doing the real deal on Facebook now. You will still find out. Now, one day, they made the real deal on Facebook now. You can find out. You can not copy in a bukota. You shall not copy in a bukota. Don't worry. You will later find out the people who are actually doing the real thing genuinely on Facebook. Nke ahụ saga ayenye ihe. Nke ahụ okwu asị ayenye ihe. Nke ahụ okwu asị ayenye ihe. Living a fake life cannot give it to you either. If follow Ijiketa, you want to go? You will later come lastly to come and look for what we have now. By that time, nke iji onwezi if I yeji myself. Nke awuzi ona abia aya na issues. But the real thing is supposed to ide now. We are the people who are doing it. You got to go. Mane yama. Gbabanu ndeba yeziokwu. Gbabanu ndeba yeziokwu. Sademe ni ihe iko wono na asa na Facebook. It will not take you anywhere. Yeji emene do sharp. Ohonya gose ne do sharp. Omeho ke do smart. Rather, uwamgbede luo ige ebe akwa. Uwamgbede luo ige ebe akwa. You can still run your content and make money on Facebook. Your platform is bona. Others name make umunna. It is something you enjoy doing. It is something you enjoy doing. In fact, this game name on Facebook now is your game. It's just that somebody gonna beat you at that game. Kiti hije na kolu mbaka kukute n'ime onye kwugharị okwu akọma TV a gbafete echi niile ma na oge echi ọ na-akwụ m ụgwọ because sai nwa ka na-akwụ ụgwọ onye ka nji weju akọma si Zion ọkwụgo ụgwọ na testimony is share today. Zion ọkwụgo ụgwọ. Some of you will later also share your own testimony. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu enweghị reason unu ji wee hapụ church. You did not leave the church for anything. Stop telling yourself that lie. You did not leave church for anything. When anything church, you want to leave church because you want to live the reckless lifestyle you want to live. You want to go. You want to live your lifestyle free from any checks and balances. You don't want any book somewhere to be interfering with the lust and with the careless lifestyle you want to live. There is nothing church did to you. Also, the genesis of the problem is the contention of the influence in the gang. The Jpac and Mr. Governor started the gang up, and we are expecting to make huge money from the logistics. But someone But someone came in and blocked their plan and took over control of Akwa, who is the bridge to the financial mobilization from church. Not only Degedi, Yaga need Degedi. Yaga need Degedi Guru. Yaga need Degedi. Ndegeri, go na Ndegeri U 5 and 6. Go na Ndegeri U 5 and 6. Whether you like it or not, Jpac and the Governor Ezioku came into Zion with their selfish interest. There is no gang anywhere. In case if you don't know, there is no gang anywhere. The gang doesn't exist anywhere. Yes, the gang doesn't exist anywhere. They came in for their own selfish interest. When they found out that their interest is not working out, they decided to walk out. Now, when they walked out, the nice and mature thing to do is to face their life. But they decided to fight the very finger that fed them. That is where the problem started. Yes, that is where the problem started. They decided to feel like they have the platform, they have the voice, they can now pounce on Zion ministry. But it failed. The bruises, they haven't yet recovered from it. And it will take them a long time and while for them to recover from it. They know what I'm talking about. They know what I'm talking about. Ham and a ham my lord and no go. And the ham and no go. Kahama Europa. Odorozi Kambwe. Unwen mbo how tiger. Unwen mbo how lion. Mba Okwani ono special. Keta. Enwene a lot of Okwani ono. So okunkewe yariane go before on indoors. Learn something now. Learn something now. Kobarugulu. Akoma TV. You owe me an apology. You owe Okuro and Igbo an apology. You owe the Zionites an apology. The same God who melugu ijiwenwe fulfillment of this prophecy is the same God the whole Zionites are praying for in Zion. Why are you blaming them for staying where they are getting solution to their problems? Why are you telling them that need referi? Why are you telling them need referi? Have you confirmed now that they are right in praying to their God in Zion? Are you now convinced that the God of Zion is answering their prayers? Are you now convinced that those gathering in Afuna Zion is not in vain? It don't clear for your eye now. You owe me an apology. You owe the Zionites an apology. You owe Okuro and Igbo an apology. The same prophecy Okuro and Igbo got that was fulfilled. Unujiwebo allegation. With the same prophecy which came to fulfillment. Are you getting me? The same reason each way si kenelu evangelist Ebuka. The same reason each way evangelist Ebuka Obi wezbo onye amuma. The same thing made each way evangelist Ebuka Obi with a special gift from God. With the same reason I want to put the same thing. If I have for Keta, we find one for a long time ago. We did not just see it now. We saw it a long time ago. You are just seeing it now. Should we be blamed that we saw it earlier before you? We shouldn't be blamed. Rather, you are the one who failed to reason from our experience. You are the one who failed to reason from our experience. So you owe us generally an apology. And before my poor, I will keep saying it. I hope your testimony is not the type that Jpac gave. Because if truly, that testimony Jpac in yellow, no man, no God of Zion, Mary, I don't think he will be up against Zionite today. I am an andoka nine on I refer to Wunde Zion. I am an andoka on I refer to Wunde Zion. Not any other church, but not the Zion. So only a God of Zion can do something for him. Only a God of Zion can do something for you, Akwa. You deserve to apologize for all Zionites. Eh? You deserve to apologize. Now, the whole Zionite deserve an apology from you. Oh, yeah, Jeremiah, understand? I deserve an apology from you either. I deserve an apology from you either. Shukupita Chukwode, why are you asking me if I'm a Zionite? Whether I'm a Zionite or not, I am a Christian. Whether I am a Zionite or not, I am a Christian. And Zion Ministry is a Christian organization. So why are you asking me? I said he must apologize to Zionite and tender an apology to me. Tender an unreserved apology to Okwulora ndị Igbo. That is what he must do. He has to do that. He has to do that for the consolidation of that testimony to be permanent and continuous. As for Jpac, I am still advising him. Repent. Repent. I watched him video Wamelu. I laughed because it is so sad that most of you in Ijo Wanya, Ijo Wadunu go nyago. You got to go? Ijo Wadunu go nyago. Onyaki ye jino ebe no na-ekwu Ijo we gata afufo. Ijo we gata afufo. Ana agwa obi aka ikpe ego na Facebook. I don't know why you people feels that na Facebook a wonya wife ye nyeriri mmadu ego. Ka mkwo ye ta ka iwote. Every single thing iji ego Facebook a we achieve. For now, I achieve gonya through business. Ego Facebook a batan naka. It is a plus. It is a plus. I own the car, many cars without Facebook monetization. You think it's a joke? Go and ask. From 2013 to now in Zambia, it is above 6 cars. Above 6 cars. People, it is above 6 cars. Bought and driven without Facebook monetization. Now, Nigeria here from 2013 out to now, I can tell you how many cars without Facebook monetization. You renovated the house with Facebook money. We did the one we did bigger than what you did without Facebook money. You traveled to Egypt and wherever with Facebook money. We traveled around the Ebony Niger without Facebook monetization. You wedded with Facebook money. We wedded without Facebook money. Whatever thing you think you have done today with the Facebook monetization, we did it without Facebook monetization. So what makes you think that now everything I name now is all about Facebook? I am asking you. Facebook money, Facebook money. Are you not aware that Ijowa is a registered car dealer? Are you not aware that Ijowa is a registered car dealer? Are you not aware? You are not aware. Highlander, are you not aware that I bought that car from Ijowa? Are you not aware that I bought that Highlander from Ijowa? You are not aware. Ijowa is a registered car dealer. In case if you don't know, Sankas Motors. Then the name one will register that company. But we can buy a motor in the Madonna Newi more than 5-6 years ago. Oh, through Ijowa motor. You are not aware. You are not aware that Ijowa will show up on a Lagos here. The more Ijowa will show up on a Lagos here. Biakam Oje una shop here. Biakam Oje una shop Ijowa. So I don't understand what this Facebook money. I am not against people who are making Facebook money. We can make money through different means. I myself, not Facebook money, Tikwanya or one plus. But when they missing Facebook money, I say everybody but on Facebook must dance to your tune before the person can actually make money to do whatever thing on your name. The first moto nje gongota no wa or monetization ganjigwe. I'm on na Facebook na mmemesha blog one na Facebook. Yes. I'm on na mmemesha blog one na Facebook. 80% of things, 95%, in fact, 100% of things in go no wa ablo Facebook or mark kulumugwe. Or mark kulumugwe. 100% of things. My Facebook page I draw monetized. Yes. I can also tell you that now 1-2 people on the mother at the go from my page. Yes, people appreciate me. But I am telling you that I don't depend on monthly payment of Mark Azoka for me to survive. I don't. My page is not yet monetized, even up to this moment. So, all go Facebook business in it is good. We make money through different means. Pelaha. all through Facebook ka ha si make ego apa amafa all through Facebook ka ha si make ego but that causes na trouble with it and they mezine ka odu ka ya say na everybody must gang your own must join your own gang into no operate before that person can make money or do whatever thing after me feel bad ijo the very dark man fans je joy umunna yo je no umunna yi je sukela na umunna yi je jo heye the question ma jo dawo have you ever agreed with me on any issue on Facebook can you tell us when have you ever been wrong on any issue on Facebook? Maybe I should start by asking you, tell me one single issue you have ever agreed with me on Facebook. Na address my fans as if na nkwugodo na long life and prosperity na ele no pi we ka na yekwejegolu or na nkwugodo reserve no na ela ha ola Davis ni si bed na yenwogonogo ndi yekwela iye wori si debe na okpa bed woro okpa debe ni si bed because na ezugo kurie kam block o isi eba susupu eba come on ka kwuru si eba apo iso amofia umu atoro Facebook money it depends on Facebook money. It is a means of income for you. You gotta go. Make it clean. Make it peacefully. Apama they make a lot of money. Brother Mike here, they make a lot of money on Facebook. Name them. There are many bloggers in Nigeria that are making a lot of money from Facebook. Nkendi Igbo aya diche. Unaye sui ani Igbo before they make ego. You cannot see an Igbo before you make money on Facebook. It has always been this on this. Nde Yoruba nejekoka. Mokona nde Yoruba so nde kamwe ndi suka here. They have bloggers in Yoruba land. Jejo maka kemi na ndotwe. They are bloggers in Yoruba land. Do they need to bring this unity among their Yoruba people before they can make money on Facebook? Or no katona na WhatsApp group instigate one saga. Bupute nilo umunne umunna na agba ndị na-efolo emotionally ndị na-anụ ọgụ erere una na agbara ego na-eti na account makwana ndị Hausa na ụka dube ha na ha wo how many percent of Islam you want to go okay our ancestors I think you have overstayed your welcome you can now comfortably zoom out of my page wow bye bye. Will another account to Shigata? You got to go. So, ajụjụ na ajụgo other ethnic group will other regions by bloggers na-enwe ego na Facebook. Okay. Ebonyi Son and the Jpac had debere ahụ na ọsaga ka ha ji agbara ego because me asago no na-eme ife na ana m agbara ego. Ịkpata na kwọta of ego apa ama kpatagoro na Facebook. Ana m ajụgo ajụjụ. Igboro ke ifuda na leba ne professor Rores batalo bosia ne prophet Rores batalo bosia so do na eri nni na Facebook o ogba na no were ru no biri ogo na Lexus 350 moto ahụ ogolu na ogo moto ahụ ego keta na ogo moto ahụ ego keta ogo moto ahụ 22 million or 21 million na ogo moto ahụ ego ogori 21 or 22 million no spend the ego ma na ogbalo ma ebe ahụ ọrụ na o spend over 50 million osu na agbasaga osu na agbasaga apa ma emegi investment what ego ne shifimo nwere uno na Ọnịsha onwego na Owerri onwego na property so many places Apama osu na agbasaga ọnụ na agba ana m ajụ na ajụjụ yet Apama is making money. Apama is making money. So I make I make my money. Then I make my money. I ask myself, can they go make?
Alpha.
I greet you.
Hey, well, no, again, get a minute. My followers is near that moment.
One will even check on and Emana Amasagomu act and they do Jpac operate. People open to Makambaka who old video call. that video will be the Mbaka Melu. That time issue of Zion and the Mbaka Fiotoro Mbao. When my ball Mbaka made that video. Or video of Foko. If you see that video, if you cut that part of that video, go away, divert your attention.
I know that one. But our Bonnie lost song supposed to be the Jpac with the first person.
You see. So they did it intentionally. So when I call one of the if I have plan or work, the way I do that video, old video, how big it
and whether it's new or old, this is my first time of saying it. And all that convinced, like if I don't do anything or address that video in my own way of addressing it, a lot of people will be gullible thinking that I just will not address the thing at this moment. Because when you read caption of Jpac, Jpac stated that this is what Mbaka had to reply, now the trending issue. So a lot of people would not. What I mean,
and Ogechi, people are not of Apple. Only na kweta halo na ife ahụ ife Mbaka kwuru. Wukwa ndị ekweta hụ n'ife ọrụ na ọsọkwara ekwu na ekwu. They are still the same people. So ekwena ka Jpac sụgharịa ikwu a anti Ogechi ha na ayọ ya ayọ.
Listen, I made a video today. No, got turn on the hand clock. I made the video. I understand that. People know this game of saga for a long time. I know how it works. When I was coming to work, I made a video. Now I'm tricky. I gave a play. But either way, I gave me on our way address and still focus on Jpac. I will not deviate. So for some people who get China, but I like to go the respond. Go to their video they posted. Come and see battle. People are eating him raw. People are destroying.
Onya no go reply you need it already. Mana ide maka Mbaka today. Man decide to go. The man
no. I gotta make something that you will not like. Just relax and see my reply in the morning. You understand what I mean? I will not say something you don't like because some people who that the video is recent video. Likewise me. You want to go? Because the way they address it, they said that Mbaka finally replied me on Friday service or something like that. So there is nothing wrong with it. Mbaka before I did not know because him one shot over 3 hours video. They had to cut that little part. You want to go? And they are, but I need to acknowledge him, but I need to thank him for even acknowledging somebody like me. Or that easy. Mbaka is like the father of all fathers. So I'm gonna thank him for even recognizing me, queen like me. You want to go? So that easy. So everybody should wait. Then after the video, then may focus on and then focus, which is the keep it to the Ogwan. And I show Ogechi Njaka one of my videos was Munanga.
But I'm joking. Only a video maka Mbaka. Just clarify to people that that is old video. Don't make that video to be about Mbaka.
Just you will
achieve
I am just how many people from after my live video? A lot of people they are calling me. So I can remember a life guy a long time, but of course you can go. But Masha, don't worry. I understand how you guys feel. My a lot of adoration people on my platform, so I can understand their panic. How much on the game? How much on here can a saga? They want to draw you out of that side. Give focus on another place. I'm on a bloggers in dog going with the strength to shut me down. You want to go? Oh my God, this self and this set can have done and all the good too much. I'm on a Jpac. I know Jpac. So I'm how to Miana. You want to go? So don't target wounded the weak in spirits. I could not target the Daisy Empire. Some on the Daisy Empire, when I'm like, I'm on the even saga with my joy, saga with my food, to all my goodie. So he they dodge people that he knows. Oh my god, about also. What I go? Oh, because even on a trust in Daisy Empire, because so him now, but you do not show people your weakness. Any day, he made a matter as you get level. Even if I'm in distress, in pain, you not gonna know because I don't want you to see my weak points. So Jpac is na no man na wudike. Eba ha ba na ba you work here. Jpac is a woman. That person no get mind. Man imagine sometimes he don't get mind. Now me they tell you one body on a Facebook. He don't get mind. Oh my god, so I will address it. The bone of contention still remains Jpac on a 1 year. Eba who jema la. So Ima, I am not one day mother. Who chefuela Jpac push bata that he's ready for a new equia. Why is he shying away from destiny care? For those of you thinking that Ogechi, I'm lying. Because you don't return. What about the promise you gave us? Another thing. They want to go. I mean, I'm Dr. Mo. So, and I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm going to hospital now. Buy a bed, the day I bed, the Jpac. Buy a bed, I got medicine. Because we must solely complete it. We are not going anywhere. You know, I got complete here. So, come and see what is it not the same Mbaka that he has been tackling? So why praising Mbaka now?
He gave that video, he gave the full video Mbaka made. Mbaka did not just make reference to you alone. You want to go? Because this at that particular time, Nigerian government is making video. You want to go? Nigerian government is making live video Mbaka that time. So, at the court was a part of the video all happened.
The no manner.
So actually, he was sharing the whole of that video. He mentioned other people's names.
I'm not the whole of the video, but the part no, my name was mentioned, which is Ezugo. How many people that have been pantering and fighting Mbaka and he doesn't recognize them? For calling my name alone is an honor. You know what make I use and shine? Now only them go shine. It's my shine time. But okay. You see, that's why they don't want to use their own to shine. My own, you want the full video. You want the full video.
Mbaka merioga ahụ the issue of Zion mgbe ahụ okpuru okwu ji wepụta na Facebook ịghọtago ọ mgbe ahụ ka Mbaka kwuru okwu ahụ ịghọtago so ọ adresịrị people ndị kwugasịrị okwu kpọọ ya afa ịghọtago maka ọwụ na ige ntị ị ada anụ ebe okwu something like asị na nya nwa ahụ Mbaka na-ewishi mmadụ bad o nwere efe ibe a na-eme kịta akpọrọ n'afọ ebe then o nwekwara ebe okwukwa na the same video ha post sị kedu ka mmadụ ya esi awụ ebe ọ ma na ebe a ka o si wee malite ọchọ ka ọ kwatuo ebe a o nwere anything
aghọtachara m all the points.
So that's na o kwuru mgbe ahụ onye ọ na-refer to wo evangelist Ebuka Obi or anointed.
And then now, I got matana and when you Jpac na agbara ọsọ. Because I see no reason why you should be bringing a old news. I should give you aza ihe imere. Gabe na achọta ihe ji cover.
If I na-achọ ndị ya egolo ọgụ na ọzi nya ka o ji akpọfa afa ndị mmadụ ọchọ ndị ya bịa golu ji ọkụ ọchọ ji aka enwe na ọchọ iji aka enwe
na-enwere ihe this guy na hidere and unu use your brain unu na-ajụ ya ọga na Mbaka we dey discuss now na Mbaka we dey discuss m juga ha na my live program before I came to work This is my first time of seeing that video. Makachi, I'm gonna man a bunny son of 500,000. But in my hand, meeting now. Somebody meeting had to call me. Okay, I'm the quiet plan. A bunny son collected 500,000. To all share the Jumia doishi. That Jumia doishi. Him put nothing but the truth. Eshoku kam jaga. How many this meeting? Did you to collected 500,000? I know the cap fake. Him not give you the truth. So after collecting Charega, Yane pretend dizzy. Well, don't worry. Ashimge, Onyo will follow Ogechi. Jiruma your name so Ogun, we are just starting. Ogun, I can be the Ogogari too long. You want to go? So here I'm about it now. It's not even the bone of contention. The thing Jpac Manotulene Shimini. He knows. He knows. No, don't support him because don't support him because someone nigga will kill. Don't ever support. Any exam barada is a failure. Is a fair. There is no pass anymore to learn. He knows. You know, people now say, I swear, I won't want to. Really? Really? So you can swear? Now you can swear. You can really fucking swear. Even okay, so I actually na ya got to try ishi because my mama will born my feraka monkey. My mama will born my feraka zuru banana. A full grown ass human being that is above 18 years. Na ya de show. So in a Jpac naga lipos ya secret na you see how people just they swear something we go permit them overnight. You want to go? So and when problem with the trending news about ego, but don't overstep your boundary. You want to go? So like I told them, Namu and Nigeria. And that better more because some better, then I will set my movement team. This movement team, I can't say with them. I got AIG or AIG. I get bitterness. I got more bad than very dark man. I got more brutal than very dark man. I'm not a Nigeria there, so no, I don't waste my time for nothing. Him job I got to say we got more so this team of people who only we follow that process. Only we follow that process. Only the group who was up, who created we follow that. Justice must prevail. Only very dark man came where I was because came when the mono jot usually. So for unde chegane no get you got drama mission in Nigeria. Don't no two ways about it. Ayogam I'll just be aware. You want to go? So, video hammer my brother, I made you bioma. Ashi Roma KG Megan, are you? So I can just do Jpac about if on I just see a walk. I was to clarify, I don't know if I watch you. Even in this banka, I got go. If I shall Emano Mechana, we see anything no Kurumba. Sino when the force of the Oju people. Not under gap. So if what was real, even in now, Kukuga, would you want to see a back? Yeah. Or if what you make it up. So I'm a net to smart and whatever. So if you may do, they will do my over. They also of what I'm doing. Make the video touch. I can back again. So when you can, I replied in that video. So make the video make I attach. That dim bakaga hopai. What go? I'm baka won you. So onyola jepuka. And when you say jepuka, onyola jada. So I would like to my daddy. I would like my daddy to see my I like my daddy back. Kono kwa no lum. Kiwata go. Aga na mama ha ma happy me in my knowledge onyishi. Onyishi onyishi. Iwala. Onyishi. We we bolu ado ibe. Any smooth. Any okay. Iwala. Yes. Oh, well, my head, man. Jpac Yaman will do the one day like this that he will not be able to terrorize anybody again. Terrorize anybody again. He has been a terror. Even I was shocked when I watched a video. Daisy Empire posted few minutes ago. I was shocked. When people who they don't understand. Who that lady Anna Ugo baby? Who that lady? That lady on your job. She caused problem. Even that video, Jpac woman, I'm not even blaming Jpac food because when I always say this. Ezugo, Owonye, Baramegbe, my problem. Owonye, Romaka, Shilepanga, Bakon. That video, you can see that Jpac was only acknowledging two persons, which is Ugo Babe and Obum. Now I see no reason why Ugo Babe big Buddha Ashera. Now Daisy Ashela, Daisy Ashea. Oh young one. Even to an extent, Jpac a threat to the Daisy with the Saka. Go and watch the video. You want to go? Now, that Ugo Babe is a dangerous woman. Nobody want to listen to me. This is how she go to impulse gossiping like a small girl. Very wrong. Very. You see why? Time. How many times do we talk? Do we even talk?
No, we don't
only talk on important issue. That is it. And we more time. And one more time, okay, if I don't get time, I'm too busy. To panta words to gossip, man. You know, I'm going to put on you and I'm bashing. And we more time. But I want that to go, baby. You were Confucianist. You were gossiper. You were an instigator. And when you hear Koroga Konapa, I should catch a gaba too. And they are both all only at your age. And I shouldn't have mother kushite bleaching. You start rubbing bleaching. A man I hear maybe. A man there is something is wrong. Out of your age. Umaka, naturally who I wanna be the Yana out of your old age. Look at Akage, green and black. May God have mercy on you. Go and Abalangi have a Samuna Jpac, stay clear. Because I may bury. And I may bury. Stay clear and run on with you because I want to say, I should again more. May God have mercy on you. I am with Jpac. Get married on money. As we go in the man of no. And when Namaka, I'm an Ashani Jaro corner in America. Walk. Yeah, we work. We do work. We know the like one Jpac. Oh, walk young. I'm coming. Come on, put it because.
Go let's see, we send the request. Go to get send the request to your email. Kevin, your email here. Go let's see. Go look in and send the request to your email here. I was going on a suspension about my live broadcast. I do okay, good. Another go. I was going on a suspension about here. I do okay, good. So, or even now, well, what if you make a child man away from what is you? So many people now say, "Nah, I love for Jpac, nah, I love for Jpac." I'm telling you, don't know how to say you. Onyo ne frustrate go no like Jpac. Undo man na bu say you. How in the hand of Jesus say, "Ngole semoku." How in the hand of Jesus say, "Na fana." All the kind of likeness people will be jelling. All the same likeness people will be. Kerafayan, kerebe. Ala peke care no all that same likeness. Kanda Nwelebe Jpac, you know. They are just using him to fight their women and a battle because no na kondo kamdo. You got to go. When he force so for had you any claim on a high like it. When he force so man no for ye for no na keri fe patalo. Oh God. Good you get shape war man put down on my platform. Yeji police forum. You got to go. Mapo Bataro na my platform and the Yeji police where all those Emmanuel Guru Aya no move that page back. When the hammer can appear na page here, you can't run away from this page. Page yes on a page you more. Page yes on a page yao. In what I even do so but I can't. If we appear the real hammer, Jenu wa Jpac is you. Akoma TV, I'm waiting for your apology, man. It's a apologize. No, pay money for the wise. This year, we see money for the wise. So, if you don't want to apologize, you can keep it there. But my happiness, owner, okay, I want to go message. Let it not be about Mbaka. It has nothing to do with Mbaka. Yes. Achogo ka ala come back, ala batambaka na tioku. I want to go. Achogo Galabata Mbaka na Tioku. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it for Basalum Baka. Go. Onye Kutongo. Oje no Oko. He Kutongo na Bosso. Kilife na Achogo ni Kotalogo. Okwani onu promas. Matthew Wangwa. Ịnọcha ebe isusuru pụọ ịghọtago ịnọcha ebe a isusuru pụọ n'elu o tirila film emoji atụrụ ịnọcha ebe isusuru pụọ ọ na-enweghị you like Jpac because it's not a busybody ịnọcha ahịa ikwu imere ka ikukwuru gbapụọ enwe mbọdị ọdọ ọmụkpọta enwere mouth ọdọ ọmụkpọtara uhie a isusuru soro siri mouth ọdọ ahụ siri ebịa hia onye kpọtara uhie atụrụ onye kpọtara ohi a Matthew Nwangwo onye kpọtara ohi a isusuru siri otu ọnụ maka isije kapụrụ bịa hia by this time ibe na ala ha ụla ịnọrụ ohi a na-egelu onye nwere ọnụ na-esi atụrụ n'afọ bụ ụdị ife ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ndị Chineke ya akwụcha ọkụ ụha ncha niile je line up. None of them love him. I can bet anything that none of them like that guy. They just want to use him thinking that they are fighting the church. Which church are you fighting? You have problem with the Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You don't have problem with any church. You have problem with the Ogechi Okeke Njaka. You ought to go. Onya wonye go na enwelu problem. Matthew Wangwa, let me give you a souvenir this night so that you will know how important a Zuko page is. Go and create another account and come back. You want to go? The problem, let me make it clear today. Jpac have problem with the church. Jpac have problem with Ogechi Okeke Njaka. If he want to face anybody, let him go and face Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Or carry him to Adam. You don't need to go and start recruiting people. Face your fear. Your fear is Ogechi Okeke. Your fear is not Ijowa. Your fear is not this empire. Your fear is not Ezuko. Your fear is not the church. Your fear is not Zion. Your fear is not anybody. Your fear is not Ndoka. Your fear is Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Face ye no go na enwele okwu ekugarisinde colonial wona. Go and face her. She is ever ready to discuss with you. Go and discuss with her. Stop bringing the whole community into Ifegona NHN. You want to go? You want to go? So let me make it clear to you now. So each Jena draw the whole as panda that this issue. We are not coming in. We are not stepping in. We are not stepping our foot into it. You are equal to the task. You go and handle it. If they equal to the task, go and handle it. Go and handle it. You know, both of you are giving Zion bad image. I'm not even a Ferisha Levy. I'm not even a good image. Look at you. Look at you. They are giving Zion bad image. Only when Zion, look at you. If any not a boy evangelist could be the Zion to count only when Zion. But only keep on Facebook. When the mother if I was they are giving Zion bad name. Bad name carrying Kentanina and Umakena home. But only when Zion is you are giving Zion bad name. Look at you. Eh? Look at you. You are giving Zion bad name. Oh, for the moon, will you go only when Zion? Oh, enemy within, it's both enemy within. You are giving Zion bad name. When the mother put on a Facebook, now rubbish that Zion. Go to Kimeru. Go to Kimeru. The people put on a Facebook, now rubbish Zion. Go to Kimeru. I will go as a Zionite, only when Zion. I will go quarter of Yagon. People are going to go quarter of Ukwa, yet you is Zionite. We are giving Zion bad name. No one only who is Zion because the war is Zionite, they are but are they distant. In a recruit to them mad. A recruit to Shabot to them mad. No chanko was also for Sagana Facebook in our bosom. The Bachanka was also. If we black Otalo or suppose on Zion na Facebook, I mean, Saga na Facebook and now, but 11 work at up since on your and the way to Chena one of Kifufe. It will Kuamagonya. So, my people, I will be signing out now. I will see you people tomorrow. Abadi Amala.